people, it don't happen again. It don't settle. No be small something, my people. Another one don't still happen. Apostle Dr Kassy, the lion fire, the old firewood where acid not the feed they break, my people. You don't still come out again. Or another secret don't still expose. Oh, no be small something, my people. As I cross this one, I will choctolize, my people. No be small thing. May not come be say, I too talk for inside this video. I go leave on now. More now for listening to Apostle Dr Kassy Chukwu.
Now the Hausa people where they go take governor say some Benin people they shout Obi, Obi, Obi. Now the Hausa people called drive Benin people come off and do our markets. I was handling a matter on phone, the one happening in a do our cattle market. I do our cattle market. You know, say governor now no go attend to the matter now. Until Benin boys where they are do our go call verse now go beat Hausa people for there now they'll say Kassy now you make Benin people go beat Hausa people. Say governor come I do our cattle market. They call the shout say Obi Obi whether they shout and whether they no shout I don't know. Now the Hausa people where they go take governor say some Benin people they shout Obi Obi Obi. Now the Hausa people call drive Benin people come off and do our markets. No man I call China for up now. They see I do our people finish. You drive Benin man for their own state, their own land. You lock their shop. You say you no go open now because they shout Obi. Who are you? Who you be? Don't feel triumph or not. I not be Benin man no. But I tell you as it be because if we say bad thing we go talk am. You will be Hausa, you they preside over Benin where supposed to preside over you. Why? Because Benin man sell Benin man to Hausa. Benin man sell Benin man to Hausa. Then they see them finish using they do rubbish. Just Benin people come up for their own land. Not be all those countries they cause problem for Iso. Say we give you land, you drive us come out. Where people for they get deliberate, you drive 50-something people, you lock their shop. For the past 3 weeks, they never enter that shop. You say that they on suspension because they shout Obi. What they concern politics? What they concern politics concern goat and ram. What did they sell for market? Who wanna go to lock their shop? When I was try this thing so, the rest of us call the people in the cattle market. Those Benin people when they drive come up for do our cattle market, when they call them back, when they wanted them. For another man land, you go drive them come out. Say they give you a land more than do business. People who not go they carry even your job is not even helping matter there. Whether they don't give your job one cow one goat, the job will not fit talk. They drive Benin people come up for market. I do our here, not people say now Nisha. Therefore drive them, not be even say na Kaduna, therefore them. For I do our here, they drive them. The Benin people they see softly come on, they stay, they go to beg Hausa people. God forbid. God forbid though, God forbid. God forbid. They drive you come up for market. Now go see they beg them. Sorry, we not shout with our Obi again. We not say Obi again. Man, I forgive her. How wicked can human be? Human be wickedness. Ordinary chairman of a do our cattle market, you don't they lock people shop. Now be say if they make you governor, you go lock at those states. Idiots. Ukutu magia we buy benori we ogbewe. Akwaraga kure onyu wen ya mota ga mpe de gege like okpoli mo enwelele o ma no tiko we na yo yoko wo ageboti egbe ga gegbe geti. Uga we no trace me o se me yo egbe. Wicked people. You say your Benima give Hausa people. They use them, they do rubbish for cattle markets. For cattle markets. Men are not open now. By the time where the thing go waka far, the rest Benin people don't hear they find on a con there, chop on a goat roaster for now get sense that time. That time I'll call it and say our goat 13 miss, ram 52 miss. Now no open shop for Benin people now. Now no go open shop for Benin people now.
Hey people, for this country, wahala no dey finish. No be small something. This one so people when they refer na Hausa people when lock people shop. No be small something. Oh, this one it choke me. Una come for another people land. No, una come they chase them. They come out. You get a CBO. My people, as I cross this one, I will choctolize. No be small something. Now I say, I can't drop this update for here. My people, now here now want for leave. Una thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys.